In a quaint little kitchen, a Ballerina Capucina teacup with a whimsical human face found itself in turmoil as it realized its relationship with the sorrowful log had come to an unexpected end. As the tears of the teacup mingle with the sunlight streaming through the window, the log watches in silence, feeling a heart-wrenching ache that echoes through the woods. Shattered on the floor, the Ballerina teacup lies in fragmented elegance, while the log mourns not just its companion, but the memories they shared beneath the stars.